E-learning continues to grow every year, but one challenge remains the same: keeping learners engaged. That's where ElevenLabs AI comes in. In this video, we're exploring how ElevenLabs is changing the way educators, trainers, and content creators deliver lessons using AI-powered speech synthesis. Whether you create online courses, tutorials, or training modules, this tool can help you produce clear, professional, and engaging voiceovers faster than ever. ElevenLabs allows you to convert any script or lesson text into natural, human-sounding narration. Instead of robotic text-to-speech, the voices produced by ElevenLabs sound expressive, smooth, and conversational. This is incredibly useful for e-learning because voice delivery can make or break a lesson. A clear and engaging voice keeps learners focused, helps explain complex ideas, and makes the overall experience more enjoyable. With ElevenLabs, teachers and creators can produce consistent, high-quality audio without needing expensive microphones or studio setups. Another big advantage is accessibility. Not every learner absorbs information the same way. Some understand better by reading, while others learn faster through listening. ElevenLabs makes it easy to offer both options by turning your lesson materials into audio versions. This helps students who prefer auditory learning, those with reading difficulties, or busy learners who want to study while working, commuting, or doing daily tasks. Making lessons more accessible means reaching more people and giving them the flexibility to learn in the way that suits them best. ElevenLabs is also a powerful tool for multilingual education. If your course needs to reach a global audience, you can generate voiceovers in different languages and accents without hiring multiple voice actors. This is a huge advantage for international educators or creators who want to scale their courses. You can deliver the same lesson in English, Spanish, Filipino, Hindi, or many other languages with consistent quality and tone. Voice cloning is another feature that elevates e-learning content. If you're a teacher who wants your course to still sound like you, but you don't have time for long recording sessions, you can clone your own voice. This allows you to maintain a personal connection with your students while letting the AI handle the heavy lifting. You can also create custom voices that match your brand or style, giving your lessons a unique and recognizable sound. Even for interactive or scenario-based learning, like dialogues, role-playing, or customer service simulations, ElevenLabs works surprisingly well. You can assign different AI voices to different characters, making the content feel more dynamic and immersive. This is especially helpful for training programs, language learning modules, or tutorials that require multiple speakers. Of course, AI isn't perfect. You'll still need to review the audio, especially for technical terms or fast-paced lessons. And for emotional or spontaneous teaching styles, human narration may still be stronger. But for clear, structured, and scalable e-learning content, ElevenLabs is an incredibly powerful partner, helping educators save time while improving the learning experience. If you found this video helpful and you want more tips for e-learning and AI tools, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future guides. Thanks for watching.